Yo. Go to the zero chatters in my chat. Welcome. During your stay as much as I'm enjoying doing this. Where are we? We're live. Mic is probably quiet because I'm not close by to it, but I'm gonna go grab some food. And I'll be back in like a couple minutes when price action hopefully gets better. I'm gonna set an alarm on my watch for exactly 2:34. I'm assuming 2:34 is when it will calm down a little bit. BRB. Right. Some lovely tea. Price action has not calmed down. ATF's still all over the place. I'm gonna look at the 1 hour time frame. Happened. We got up here in the past hour. And now all the way down here. Look at it on 30. Quite weird. Looks like we might be just selling. Not sure. On the 20 now. I think I'm gonna get trade down. Trade for sells. Right now our ATR is around 14. What's this? 11 to 15. No, I'm still gonna wait. We're not directional. There could be like a little sell down here. Consolidate back up. We're looking all over the place. I'm gonna wait on it. No trades yet. The price is still trying to find out what it wants to do, as you can see. So irregular, and I'm not willing to put any risk in irregularities. Only risk when the price action is quite literally screaming at me what it's going to do next. Now we're going back up. The ATR stays around 14-ish. I'm going to continue to trade 1.2, 1 to 1.2 risk to reward ratio, which is 28 ticks stop loss, 33 ticks target. But right now we're slowing down again, so I'm just. It looks like we might be selling down. I would think directional sell. The bracket seems a bit bigger than I'd like at the least. Understandable. Bad trade in my opinion. Tracing. Like we're broken out. If we reach around this area again, or near here, and then we get a pull back upwards, going for a buy. But ATR is all over the place right now, so hold until something worthy comes. Seems like a good trade, honestly. It's a no-brainer trade. Always go for the no-brainer trades. I'm gonna move it up, honestly. I stop around there. This seems to be wanting to keep going up. Yeah, never mind. Wanted it to break consolidation, but it does look like it just wants to go back, touch around here, play around with it. Can't read the market, can't tell the future. I won't tell. Now let's see if it continues consolidating. Let's go directional. Right now, our brackets are a tiny bit bigger than I would like them. I'm gonna target 24 here. I target 24 to 20. It's like for 12 ATR. Which seems like a good number right now. We get any sort of pullback here. No, actually, I need it to continue up past this. Let's see. If it goes past this, then I'm very much considering a direction trade upwards, but right now it looks like it just declined all of that. No, I don't want to go higher than 21,845. But it also doesn't want to go lower than 21,8. Now it's just playing around here again. We just have to wait. Stay waiting game. Soon we'll get told what it wants to do. Probably gonna consolidate again. Around here, it might consolidate again, but at one of these points it has to break out, go either up or either down. I'm not willing to 50-50 gamble it. I'm just willing to see which one it chooses and then try and time an entry on that. It does look like it's slightly heading upwards though, which I probably think is a good sign to just a quick buy here around this level would be good. Not going up from there, then that's fine. It breaks it. It's direction. I expect it to come up here, touch it. Shouldn't, if it goes any lower than this, then exit the trade, that's fine. It's gonna probably go downwards even more. But right now it's just testing the positive. Alright, that's a losing trade. Okay. I won't exit, I won't let it do its thing. Yeah. The direction wasn't direction, it just declined again. Currently we're at this 158. And our stop loss limit. Whatever trade I do take now, I need to think about. That's it's a bad entry and a bad trade. And we've been stopped out of the account. Max loss limit. Max loss before it hit the stop loss, which is stopped us out. But yeah, that's the max loss. We are at minus 257. Like how the max daily loss limit is minus 200, but it stopped us out at minus 240 PNL gross. Minus 257.44, including commissions, which is definitely not minus 200, but yeah, 40 off, I would say. 50 off. That's alright. Anyways, that's the end of the stream. We did not take 2 trades now that I look at it. We took 4. 4 random positions. Yeah, that's the end of the stream. So our gross is minus 240 on today. Set the color as red because we lost. That's okay. Yeah, that's the end of the stream. Let's go to the dashboard. Trade the dashboard. Trades that we took. Dashboard. This one. We took 4 trades today. 1 winner, 3 losers. I think the fourth one was definitely like just kind of like a dumb. It's because I saw that the profit was at minus 150 that I was like, okay, I kind of had like a $50 random trade to take, and then I just forced the trade when I should have just stopped there, honestly. When I have minus 50 left before my daily loss, I shouldn't take a trade and assume it hits the profit target before it hits the daily loss. So yeah, that's something to think about when it comes to, I'm close to my daily loss limit. I should just cut it, cut my losses early, and that's it. Leave it there. But yeah, last trade definitely was like a kind of like a dumb move. Should not have taken that. See a lot of 3 trades. See the other 3 trades. First trade was me banking on a directional switch. I saw downward candles and I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna go back down, but it was just a testing of the upward movement. It continued going up. The second trade I saw that it did a pullback with 2 bars, and there's second trade is here. This was the first trade. Saw these 2 candles, and can I draw on this? I saw these 2 lines go down, and so I was like, let's follow it. That looks good. Damn, this thing is hard to control. What the hell? Yeah, but then that went back up on us. Then I saw these 2 candles move down, and I was like, okay, we have a green candle here. Let me follow the direction. And I did, which was good. I moved my stop loss from around here, I'm pretty sure. Up to near break even at first. So around here, I think it was. And then when I saw it move up even more, I was like, this might consolidate back down at around this point here. So I moved my stop loss to just here, just in case it does want to break out, but touched my stop loss and then went back up, which is the market, of course. Then you have these trades, the third trade, where I assumed it would continue going up and break out of this consolidational area right here. I saw it go over here and I was like, yeah, this looks good. Right there, should go up. But we consolidated down, kind of tested it again, went back up. Kind of felt like a little bit more consolidation here, a little bit more raggedy movement, and then it went up, but back down. And I think this is where this trade happened, where it was just like kind of dumb on it. I don't know why I did this trade. It's like I saw I was at minus 150 and there was $50 left in the daily loss limit, and I just took the trade without thinking. So yeah, that's the end of that. Those trades. And thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, guys. Yeah.